Hi everyone! If you frequently struggle to see clearly while driving at night, or feel like your current car lights are just too dim to feel completely safe, you are definitely not alone. Welcome to Tech Product. Upgrading your vehicle is essential for peace of mind, which is why today we are looking at the best LED headlight bulbs to transform your nighttime driving experience. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the illumination LED headlight bulbs, you will quickly realize these are not your average replacement lights. Illumination engineered these premium bulbs to deliver superior illumination and advanced overall performance for modern vehicles. When driving in the dark, having totally reliable lighting is absolutely crucial for your own safety and the safety of everyone else on the road. These bulbs completely change the way you see the highway ahead. Illumination designed them to be incredibly compact, highly powerful, and extremely durable, giving you a truly dependable solution for enhanced automotive lighting. One of the most impressive things about the illumination LED headlight bulbs is their high light concentration combined with exceptional long-range projection. The light beam reaches much further down the road than standard halogen bulbs ever could. By brightly lighting up those distant dark stretches of the highway, these bulbs significantly enhance your overall visibility at night. Because you can see obstacles, pedestrians, or animals much earlier, this directly increases your crucial brake reaction time. Having those extra seconds to react is essential for ensuring a much safer driving experience for you and your passengers. In addition to reaching far into the distance, the illumination LED headlight bulbs also excel at illuminating the immediate area right in front of your car. They feature a wide area of near-light paving, which beautifully improves your close-range road coverage. It essentially widens your field of view, lighting up the dark shoulders of the road and the adjacent lanes clearly. This fantastic combination of long-distance projection and wide near-field lighting effectively doubles your safety during nighttime journeys, eliminating dangerous blind spots right in your forward vision. To achieve this incredible level of brightness, the illumination LED headlight bulbs are equipped with specially upgraded 3570 chips. These highly advanced chips provide super bright spotlight performance that cuts through the darkest conditions with absolute ease. Being bright is only half the battle, as you also need a properly focused light so you do not blind oncoming traffic. Illumination solved this issue by ensuring these powerful chips produce a standard tangent beam pattern. This specific design creates clear, perfectly focused lighting without any unnecessary or dangerous glare. It offers true precision and clarity for drivers in all types of weather conditions. When you have automotive lights this powerful, managing the internal heat becomes a major priority. Illumination tackles this perfectly by applying computer CPU-level heat dissipation technology directly to their lighting design. Instead of relying on standard cooling methods, these bulbs utilize advanced double copper tubes for incredibly efficient cooling. This system completely outperforms traditional copper plate heat dissipation systems. The double copper tubes allow for much faster thermal transfer, quickly pulling heat away from the core components. By keeping the operating temperature properly balanced, this cooling system significantly extends the overall lifespan of the bulbs. You also need smart power delivery, which is exactly why the illumination LED headlight bulbs feature a highly sophisticated intelligent drive system. This advanced control mechanism empowers maximum performance while ensuring completely stable operation across many different vehicle models. The intelligent drive system actively optimizes energy use, pulling exactly the right amount of power from your car without causing any electrical strain. Furthermore, it actively prevents radio interference, so you will not hear any annoying static on your speakers. This smart system maintains consistent brightness at all times, making these bulbs incredibly reliable for daily use. Upgrading your vehicle lighting is honestly one of the smartest and easiest safety decisions you can ever make. Check the price link in the description to easily grab a set for your own car today. Please remember to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more great videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and please drive safely until next time.